Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R for you, well, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is I've got a Toyota Auris, okay, 2015 Toyota Auris. It's an estate one. I don't know what you call it in America or on another country. Like a wagon, okay, like a station wagon. In the UK, we call it the estate, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the rear brake light bulb. The catch here, brake light bulbs. Thing is, it's a complete unit, LED unit. I thought it was just singular bulbs, okay, but it's not. So this is the brake light bulbs or rear bulbs replacement on a 2015 Auris, Toyota Auris. Let's go. Okay, it's an estate one. This I'm in the UK and we call it estate. In America, I think they're called station wagons. I don't know what they call in Australia or anywhere else in the world, but in the UK, estate, America, station wagons. Passenger side one. I'm in the UK, passenger side one. If it's America, that's the driver side one. It doesn't really matter. They're exactly the same on either side. As you can see here, the bulb is working. That's the side light, the normal tail light. That is working, but the brake light is on the same thing and it's not working as well. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to open the tailgate. We'll go in here, take this one off and take this one off. Two 10mm bolts, screws, whatever you want to call them. Let's take them off. Right, we've got them two screws off, like my other video I did on the brake light bulbs. I don't know which car was it, the previous one. I think it was Honda Civic. Take them two off, and we're going to push it towards the back of the car. Okay, if you have to be really careful with this one, because you don't go prying it or anything, because you're going to break the light. Right, if it doesn't come off, you get some oil or degreaser or WD-40 and spray it on the edge here. When you spray it on the edge, it will seep down. All it is, it's a little plastic holder thing there, a little grommet there. So if we go towards the back of the car, like that, as you can see there, if we can get some oil onto there as well, somehow, just put it on the top of the light, it will seep down onto the grommet. That should come off. Happy days. What we do now is we're going to take that plug off. We need two hands for that, so I'm going to take that plug off and I'll go from there. Okay, there we have it. The lamp is off. Obviously, you just take that bulb off, one bulb there, and that switch off. It comes off on your hand, nice and easy. I'll put it here so you can see properly. Normally, on normal cars, you have like individual bulbs or a light cluster or a bulb holder. This one, the whole thing comes as one. So we're going to take this one off, this one off, this one off, and this one off. Okay, them four screws, we're going to take them four screws off, and that will come off, and we're going to replace it with the new one. Alright guys, all the screws are off. I mean, I'm not going to show you how to take the screws off anti-clockwise. If you don't know how to take the screws off, you shouldn't be really attempting this job, but there we go. Screws are off. There we have it. That is the brake light and the side light, or the tail light, for the Toyota Auris. I think it's the limited edition one, this, because normal Aurises, they have normal bulbs like the stop and tail bulbs. This one, special one, limited edition one. There we have it. I'm in the UK, and from Toyota, I mean Toyota only do it. From Toyota, it's £55 plus VAT. Okay, if you go on eBay, maybe you can get it for cheaper or something like that, but you don't want to buy copies. After 2 days mess up again, or 2 months later it messes up. Buy the proper one, job done, let's go. There's the old one, there's the new one. I mean, it's not rocket science. I'm gonna put that on there, get them 4 screws on. Happy days. Let's do it, let's refit it. That's it guys, all done and dusted. Toyota Auris 2015 plate. We've changed the rear bulbs, the rear light cluster, replaced it. This is a station wagon one. On the saloon or the sedan one, I don't know, it might be the same. Some of them got the individual bulbs, some of them got the bulb, this type of bulbs, okay, this kind of design. Anyway guys, I hope that helps you guys out. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R for you well. We'll see you guys soon.